everybody. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. It's Marybeth here, Profit Pals Pro. First of all, I'd like to begin today's video by welcoming another new team member, Roger, who just recently signed up to Profit Pals Pro. So welcome aboard, Roger. And what I'd like to do next is to share with you a brand new compensation plan video that was just released today. Now this is very, very exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and play this for you. So go ahead and tune in and be prepared to be amazed. I know you're going to absolutely love it. Okay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and tune right in.
Hey guys, what I want to do right now is I want to show you the most powerful, the most potent compensation plan in direct retail affiliate marketing today. It's called the 1-Up, and I want to share with you some of the dynamics as to what makes this so powerful. First, you get 100% of the commission. You don't have to divide it or share it with anyone. Second, you can get paid on infinite sales in width, and then on the 1-Up, which is absolutely remarkable infinite sales in depth. You can have all kinds of referrals generating copious amounts of money, which is going to create a fabulous lifestyle income and definitely give your families a better way of life. So I want you to imagine being able to earn $50 bills over and over and over again, effortlessly and easily, all on automatic pilot. Now to get started with Profit Pals Pro, it is a one-time $62.95 with $12.95 going to admin for running the company, and $50 goes to the sponsor. Now, it all starts with you. When you come into Profit Pals Pro, you're going to be invited or enrolled by a sponsor. So let's say you go out there, you're marketing on the internet, and you make one retail sale. Somebody chooses to purchase the product from you, and you're now going to pass up that first sale to your original sponsor. Your sponsor is going to earn $50, and you are now fully qualified and ready to go out there and start as many pay legs or pay lines that pay infinite levels deep as you want. You can now start a second sale, a third sale, a fourth sale, a fifth sale, a sixth sale, a seventh sale, all the way to infinity. Okay, there are no limitations as to how many sales you can create, making you $50 per sale from your second sale. So not only do you have to go through that process, but everyone else you enroll has to replicate the same process. So now one of those brand new sales would have to refer their first sale to you, making you another $50. And each one of those referrals have to now pass up their first sale to you, earning you nonstop $50 bills. So you're now the captain of the ship. You're now heading the affiliate team, and these brand new first sales are falling into your pay structure. You make $50. Why? Because that person's being passed up to you. Now watch, this is where it gets really powerful, complex, and simple at the same time. Sale number 2 generated their first sale. You made $50. Sale number 2 is now qualified. They can now go out and start their own group of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales. Now the first sale that sale number 2 brought in, they're going to be giving you their first sale, and now they're qualified, and now that sale is going to be giving you their first sale, and now they're qualified, and that sale is going to be giving you their first sale, and now they're qualified. So if you see what's happening here, all these first sales visually going down, although it's really not like that. It's a direct retail transaction between you and another party. But for illustration purposes only, all these brand new first sales going down one, referring one, referring one, referring one, referring one, all that goes to you, and everybody to eternity owes you their first sale. Now the third pay line replicates exactly the same way. The same goes for the fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh pay line. They all owe you their first sales, driving it deep visually, but in actuality just making a direct retail transaction between you and another party. No MLM, no downlines, but on a visual scale we had to show it this way so you can understand it. So if you had 1,000 people that were referred to you through this 1-Up plan, you might not even know 95% of them, but the referrals you would make $50 times 1,000 people in total equals $50,000. Isn't that amazing? And you're not really out there recruiting or sponsoring. You're building a direct retail business, and you're getting referrals along the way. So at $12.95 going to admin and $50 going to the sponsor, I think you're going to be laughing all the way to the bank.
Okay, so there you go. This is really exciting. This video with this new compensation plan video just was released, so I wanted to get it out there and share it with you. So it's really easy. You'll come through my system. dailypaybeginshere.com. I'll drop the link below in the description, and all you have to do is enter your name and email address. You'll be redirected to my landing page, and then there'll be a button on my landing page. It's going to take you to this page right here where you can review everything, including this video. And then as soon as you are ready to get started, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the very bottom, okay? And then you're just going to follow steps 1 and 2. Now this is very, very important, so read through this very carefully. Take your time. Step 1, you're going to make your one-time $50 payment. That's going to go to me. Here's my contact details. Here's my name, and here's my ID, okay? You can pay with Square, Cash App. There's additional methods here, PayPal, Wise, and Venmo, whatever works best for you, okay? So you can go ahead and review this. And then what you will do next is go to step number 2. You're going to make that $12.95 one-time admin. There's no monthly fees at all, okay? And you can pay admin through Stripe or any one of these additional payment options. And then what you're going to do after that, okay, you're going to send copy proof that you paid your $50. You just follow this right here, important. Please send or forward a copy of the $50 purchase receipt to profitpalspro@gmail.com. Include your sponsor name and ID, okay? And then your account's going to be automatically activated. You're going to be good to go. You'll get to get started, get access to all your products, okay? And be able to start receiving the potential to receive unlimited $50 instant payments directly to you over and over and over again. Okay, so everything is here. There's my name. There's my ID 743. So just follow steps 1 right here. You're going to pay the $50 in step 1, and then you're going to go to step 2, and you're going to make the one-time $12.95 admin directly to the company through Stripe if you want to pay with a card, or you have these additional options. After you've done that, you'll take your $50 receipt and you're just going to go ahead and email it right here to profitpalspro.com. Include my name and my ID, and you will be good to go. And there is my name right there, Marybeth Angelelli, ID number 743. Okay, so right now what you want to do is go to dailypaybeginshere.com. Again, that is dailypaybeginshere.com. This is my capture page. I'm using an amazing marketing system. I highly recommend. Get connected with me, folks, after you join, and I will share with you exactly how to get this amazing marketing and funnel system. You're going to absolutely love everything about it. And Profit Pals Pro is really taking off, folks. It's super simple, super affordable. There's tremendous value inside of it. Great products, great income earning potential to go along with it. This is the place to be, folks. $62.95 gets you started today. So let's get you going. Come here, okay, and enter your name, your email, hit show me the video. You'll go to my landing page. You'll see a red and white button to get started. That's going to take you to that direct page. You'll scroll down to the bottom following steps 1 and 2 as soon as you're ready. Any questions, text me or call me. Contact details are all in the description. Thank you so much. Until my next video, you take care, and I hope to see you soon on the inside. Bye-bye.